Welcome to the So Blessed channel, guys. Today we're making a quick shrimp fried rice, quick and easy way. We're gonna scramble an egg real quick. Once that's done, we'll remove it from the pan and then we'll go in with diced onions. Saute those until translucent. Then we'll add our frozen mixed vegetables. And then we'll go back in with some oil and add a little bit of butter or margarine, whatever you prefer. In with the shrimp. The shell has been removed and deveined. We'll get that nice and pink. Won't take very long for those to turn pink. Just make sure you got one layer going on there so that they cook nice and even. Flip them over, cook them on both sides. We're gonna add some minced garlic. Didn't want to put that in too early because I don't want to burn my garlic. We are working with high heat. We got the temperature on high. Now we got some leftover cold rice. Rice that's been in the refrigerator must be cold. You can use long grain white rice. I prefer to use seasoned rice. It's already got some flavor in it. Then we're going to go in with all the ingredients that we cooked before, one by one. And we'll empty all of that into the pan. Again, we're on high temperature heat. And I'm just going to mix this together and add my seasonings. Yep, we got that nice and mixed together. Now we're going to add some black pepper. Black pepper to taste. We got a little bit of adobo for some additional flavor here. I just happen to like this. You can use whatever seasoning you like. Yes, and now we got some ginger garlic powder. It's a little mixed Asian mix that we got from Costco. Just a little bit of that. And now the main seasoning is soy sauce, and you want to go a little bit at a time. You can always add more if you need it. This will darken up the dish and also add some salt to the dish as well. So just a little bit. This is really dark soy sauce, so just a little bit goes a long way. Now we got some bean sprouts. Rinse those off and add those as well. And I'm putting those in at the very end because I still like a little bit of that crunch. And here's the finished product. Thank you for watching.